What up, Digital Slang? Welcome back. Today we're going to check out some MiniPods. These are going to be very similar to AirPods 2nd gen, but smaller. So we're going to check them out. This is an unboxing and first impressions, not a full review. I'll do a comparison between the real AirPod 2s and the MiniPods in another week or two after I play with these things for a little while. In front of me, I do have the black and the white color. So we are going to check them both out. I'll test them out, see how good the mics are, see how good they sound. Now these do support wireless charging. Bluetooth 5.0 battery life is 3.5 to 4 hours. So we'll test that out as we do it, and we'll add that to the next video. But let's check them out. Let's open them up and get our first look at the MiniPods. We'll take a look at the black pair first. So, plastic top and the matte black MiniPods. Man, these things are definitely small. You guys, I'll do a comparison. As soon as we see what else is in the box, I will bring out the regular, what is this, a wireless charger? So it comes with a wireless charging mat, very cool. And also in the box, we do get the lightning to charge. Now the white box, let's see. Man, these things are small. Very cool though, I kind of dig them. Another wireless charging mat for these, and of course we will have the lightning cable to charge once again. So pretty cool that we do get the charging mat, the wireless charging mat for these. I will be testing them out to see if they work. And to give you a quick size comparison, these are the AirPod 2s and these are the MiniPods. So you can actually see they are basically the same width, but definitely shorter. Very cool. Let's take a look at the actual MiniPods, and man, them things are tiny. So a tiny little stem, pretty much the same size overall head on the MiniPods, but it looks like the stem is a lot smaller, and you can see on my phone they already popped up. The animation has already popped up. So this is where you're going to see the big difference. All right, the stems on these guys a lot smaller. So very small. I'm wondering if that will affect the mic, but we're going to test it out and try it out. Now you can see we do have the chrome ring on the bottom. The MiniPods, let's just connect them. It keeps popping up. Let's connect them. Check them out. See how good they are. All right, let's connect them. See how good they are. So if we open up the white lid, a minute ago, I did get the pop-up animation, but I haven't been able to get that back. So if we go into settings, let's see if we can get it to pop up. So WhitePods Mini, not sure what's going on with the animation now. WhitePods Mini, if we hit connect and we hold the button on the back, we are connected. Let's throw them in, test them out. These things are tiny to hold. They feel a little weird because I'm so used to regular AirPods. So the real sound that you get with the real AirPods. Now if we click on the info button, we go in, we do have the menu like the real AirPods. You can go in and you can change the name. I don't know why it says noise cancellation off and transparency mode. This is the menu for the AirPod Pros, but we're getting it with the MiniPods, which are basically smaller versions of the AirPod 2s. So of course, noise cancellation, transparency mode are not going to do anything. Ear tip fit test, let's see what that does. It actually plays the music of the AirPod Pros. That's crazy. Microphone optimized battery charging gives you a model name and a version. That is not going to be accurate. If we go out of here, let's see if Find My is on here. So searching right now. So no GPS on here. Now music is playing already, so I'm just going to turn the music up and see how they sound. Sound-wise, they sound like the AirPods 1 and 2. Not a lot of bass, clear enough. They sound good. I mean, it's not going to blow you away. They just sound like the first generation AirPods and the 2nd gen. Nothing spectacular. It is what it is when you get this style of earbud. Bass pretty much non-existent. Highs and the mids are clear, and that's basically it. Sound quality, think AirPods 2. Think AirPods 1. That's kind of what you're getting here. Let's keep going. We're going to do a mic test. Check out the mic. What up, guys? The MiniPods. These are very similar to the AirPods 2nd gen. Just smaller. They're just smaller. The mic I don't know. How's it sound? Hopefully it sounds pretty good. We're going to YouTube now, check the latency, see if there is any delay between audio and video. No delay between audio and video. Always a good thing when it comes to a pair of earbuds like this. You always kind of worry about that, but everything's in sync, no delay at all. And one thing I don't know if I mentioned is the volume. These things have plenty of volume, so if you're worried about them not being loud enough, I don't think you'll have a problem. Now, of course, if you follow the channel, you know I like my volume to be excessive. This is not that, but the volume itself is loud enough, I think, for most people. I'm going to go on, I'm going to show you the touch controls. We'll check out how they work. Now, touch controls on here are different. These are basically versions of the AirPod 2s, but it's like a hybrid between the AirPod 2s and the AirPod Pros. These have the force to squeeze controls, not like the AirPod 2s, more like the AirPod Pros, which now I understand why we have that menu like the AirPod Pros in the Bluetooth settings. So now it makes sense. That's why this is an unboxing and first impressions. So we do have the Force Touch on here. So I did set that to series. So we'll see if that works actually. So touch controls, if we play some music, one squeeze, it's going to pause it. One squeeze again, it's going to play. If we double squeeze, goes to the next track, hit it again, works very well. And if we triple tap, goes back to the previous track. And if we touch and hold, it does beep, and there is your voice assistant, and will be the same whether it's an Android phone or Siri. And in-ear detection did work. I was able to take it out of my ear, pause it. We'll do it again. It does pause automatically. So actually, I'm a little impressed by these. I was a little weirded out when I first saw the AirPod Pro menu on here, but now I know why. They have the squeeze and the Force Touch. It's kind of a combination between the AirPod Pros and the AirPod 2s. Different, right? Very different, very cool. So I'm going to put these back in. I'm going to connect the black pair, and just to make sure that the black pair sounds the same, works the same, we'll test that out as well. So if we go into Bluetooth settings, now I'm not sure, once again, why I'm not getting the pop-up animation. When I first took them out of the box, we did get the animation. I haven't been able to get it back since. BlackPods Mini, it does pop up. We hit the back button. We were connected. Now we're connected. So we'll throw these in. These will be the same with the Force Touch. Very cool. You do get the real sounds too from the AirPods. So music is playing. Let's turn it up. Sound quality is the same. The black and the white, they both sound the same. Not a lot of bass. Not with this style of buds, but it's clear, sounds good, clear enough, and plenty of volume. So we're gonna do a mic test now for the black pair and check out how they sound and compare it to the original one. Well, not the original one, but the white pair. What up, guys? A mic test for the black MiniPods, kind of a hybrid version of AirPod 2 and AirPod Pro. Definitely different, but overall pretty cool. How's the mic sound? Now, same thing on here as far as latency. No latency on the black or the white pair. Everything is in sync just like it should. And I'm just going to play some music again and try the touch controls on here and make sure they work, well, just as good as the white pair. So we'll do one Force Touch, see if it pauses. It does pause. One again, and it will play. If we do two, goes to the next track. Three, goes back to the previous track. And if I touch and hold, it does beep, and Siri is there. So overall, I'm actually a little impressed by these. I didn't expect to like them as much as I do, but they're very cool. It's kind of a hybrid between AirPod 2 and AirPod Pros. We get the menu in the Bluetooth settings for the AirPod Pros. We do get the Force Touch, the Squeeze Touch, like the AirPod Pros, but with the AirPod 2 style and a little shorter stem. I'm hoping the mic sounds good, because that's kind of what makes the AirPods so special, is the call quality. The mics always sound really good, but overall not bad. These things are 65 bucks. Are they worth it? Yeah, it's close to it. They're pretty cool. A little different. Again, Bluetooth 5.0, battery life is about 3.5 to 4 hours. Wireless charging, sound quality we talked about. Overall, not too bad. They do come with a wireless charging dock, so you can charge them up. Overall, not bad at all. The MiniPods in black and white. Check them out, guys. I'll drop the link below. That's it. I'll be back soon. Peace.